is 18 and above. Are you 18? So why is somebody telling you that you are a leader of tomorrow? You are the leaders of today and tomorrow. You are the present and the future. I want to encourage you, good people. Come out and lead. Go and look for these positions. You guys are the majority. Why would you lose the seat unless you people don't love one another? Persuade your colleagues that this is your time. I don't want anybody to tell you are the leaders of tomorrow. We have a very strong mentorship program. If you check in the party, the elected leaders I have, Akina Methu, Akina Jane Jerry, Akina Karungo Thangwa, I allow them to flourish. Mimi siwafuniki. Many leaders don't want young people to flourish. They feel insecure. I'm not insecure. Hii vijana wakiongoza hata mimi nipumzike. Si ndio mzuri? Yeah. If they can take over and run this country, mimi nikae hapa na Reverend Dorcas tungoje watuletee chakula mwisho wa mwezi. Iko makosa gani? I want to be the leader. My legacy, I want to live in this country. I want to be that leader who mentored young leaders and gave them space and made sure they are solid leaders. Iko mtu alikuja kuniambia juzi, hii akina Methu usiwakubalie waende sana. Watu wanaweza kuja wasahau wewe waende kwa hawa. Nikamuuliza hata wakienda na hawa na ni watoto wangu iko makosa gani? What is the problem? We must be genuine. Why do we have a problem in ODM? After the death of Raila Odinga, he built a very strong political party. It's one of his greatest legacies, a strong political party. But he never mentored anybody. After his death, the party is up for grabs. There is nobody. There is no succession plan. Ile iko imeuzwa. Si imeuzwa? Sasa surely na sina ubaya. Huyo mzee anaitwa Oburu. Can he take that party anywhere? Niliona juzi akisoma anasema nimeshindwa kusoma